Hi, my name's Sarah and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience with XPOR. So far, I've built 3 systems with it and I love it. I never thought I'd say anything like that about a software development tool, but this thing is so liberating. I'm a business manager, I'm not a developer, and I've been involved in 5 software development projects for my department, a couple of system upgrades and a couple of new projects. For the first 2, I had to involve a software team with all of its project management methods. We worked in an agile and sprint environment, which took some understanding, but I got there. One of those projects was a disaster, and it got me to thinking, how could this be done differently? My role on these projects was simply to gather and document the requirements and the user stories. I then had to go through a whole palaver to get this information across to the project development team. To be honest, not a fun experience. I really struggled to communicate with the team in a way that felt like we were getting anything done. It seemed like my job was to spoon feed the developers and everything moved in baby steps. And in the meantime, I still had my day job to do. Luckily, I found XPOR. I ran through a template site and decided to give it a shot. So the guys tell you how easy all of this is, and honestly, it really is. But my first take did take me a little bit of time to get my head around. So in the past, I've always used folders and groups to organise things. But XPOR's different. In XPOR, you simply associate things to other things like you do in the real world. This was the most amazing and most liberating part of the software. Anyway, if you'll take my advice, give XPOR a go. Worked for me from every angle.